Alrighty, here's my favorite road for the snow. Let's see how fast we can go. So far so good. Uh-oh, turn. Yeah, that was slippery. Okay, straight away up to 50. 6 inches of snow. Children, don't attempt this at home, especially if you don't have four-wheel drive. 55. Hopefully no trees are down. Okay, coming up on a turn, so slowing down a bit. As long as I stay in this other guy's grooves, I should be fine. Uh-oh, here's a turn. Alrighty, I made it. Coming up to my favorite hill. Here it is. This is where I usually spin out. Yeah. Slammed on the brakes. ABS is going crazy. Alright, time to turn it around. I've gone far enough. Alright, see you guys back home.